Hi, in this video we would like to introduce you to the WorldCereal Processing Hub, which can be accessed through hub.esaworldcereal.org. The Processing Hub is an easy-to-use web interface allowing you to create, launch, and monitor WorldCereal processing jobs on our cloud-based processing system with just a few clicks and without having to write any code yourself. The Processing Hub supports two types of processes: a map download job, allowing you to download a portion of any officially released global WorldCereal product for your area of interest, and a custom map generation job, allowing you to generate a custom crop map for your area, season, and crops of interest based on a pre-trained classification model. Both models trained and released by the WorldCereal Consortium and your own private crop models can be used here, as long as they have been trained through the WorldCereal system to ensure full compatibility. Instructions on how to train your own crop models are covered in another dedicated video. After you have created your processing jobs, you can use the Processing Hub to consult the status of all of your jobs and download the associated results immediately to your system. In order to use this application, you will need an account on the Copernicus Dataspace ecosystem, which is freely available to anyone. Now let's have a look at the application itself. To get started, simply click the Login button and log in with your CDSE credentials. On the home screen, you will find some background information on the application and its functionalities, as well as some links to our documentation portal and forum in case you would require further information or assistance. Let's have a look at the download job. In the first step, you need to select the WorldCereal product collection and the specific product of interest. Currently, global products are only available for 2021. A new batch of global products will be released by the end of 2026. In the next step, you select your area of interest by drawing on the map. Note that this tool is meant to download a small portion of any of our global products. Current size limit for one download is set to 100,000 square kilometers. If you are interested in the full global product, we recommend you to take it directly from Zenodo. The link is included here. Now let's zoom in and draw our area of interest. When your bounding box turns red, it means the maximum size has been exceeded. Simply adjust your bounding box until it turns blue. Finally, select your preferred output file format on the right and hit the Create Process button. Now you will see a summary of the processing job you just created and can either start the job right away by clicking the yellow button or start it later and proceed with creating a new processing job or consult your list of jobs. In the list of processes, you can see the one we just created on top of the list. You can launch it by hitting the green button on the side or consult the details by hitting the arrow button. Let's have a look at a job which is already finished. You will notice there is now a specific download link included in the metadata to immediately download the result to your system and some additional explanations on the meaning of the values within the downloaded product. The final tab of the application allows you to generate a custom WorldCereal product for your area, season, and crops of interest. First, you need to select a product, either cropland or crop type, and a pre-trained classification model. Currently, only the default cropland model is available within the application. This model differentiates temporary crops from all other land covers and has been trained on a global representative dataset. Support for other models will be added in a future release of the Processing Hub, but the principle will remain the same. In the next screen, you need to draw your area of interest, which currently has been limited to 2,500 square kilometers. Future updates will allow larger areas to be processed at once. At the bottom of the screen, you get some pointers on the typical processing time and processing credits consumed for processing jobs of different sizes. Note that the Copernicus database ecosystem currently grants 10,000 processing credits to each user on a monthly basis. On the right-hand side, you need to select your season of interest. WorldCereal classification models always use 12 months of data to make a prediction. Just make sure your exact season of interest is nicely centered within the 12 months that you select. Finally, select the output file format and hit the Create Process button. Here you see what the result of such a custom processing job looks like. You will receive three results: one JSON file with some metadata about the processing job, and two products. One product contains the original predictions of your model on a per pixel basis, whereas the post-processed version has been spatially cleaned to get rid of some remaining salt and pepper artifacts. In case your processing job would not conclude successfully, the status of the job will be set to error, and you will be asked to post your processing job ID directly on the Copernicus Dataspace Ecosystem forum, where you will be assisted in resolving the issue. This concludes the short demonstration on the use of the WorldCereal Processing Hub. Feel free to reach out to us through our user forum to share your feedback, request additional features, or ask for further assistance. Thank you for watching.